failure. Also reports the plane might have run out of fuel. And deep shock in Brazil, which has just declared 3 days of mourning. The plane was carrying members of the country's Chapecoense football team. Now, CNN's Rafael Romo joins us now with the latest from CNN Center. And Rafael, since news of this terrible accident broke, you've been learning more about the flight itself. Tell us more.
Yes, apparently the flight was not supposed to happen to begin with. The Brazilian National Civil Aviation Agency says they denied the charter request of the Bolivian Lamia Corporation to fly the team from Sao Paulo, Brazil to Medellin, Colombia. Why was the request denied? Well, apparently it didn't comply with international regulations. A couple of hours ago, the mayor of Medellin was talking about 5 survivors. Then he updated the figure, saying it was indeed 6. Apparently a man who was rescued from under the fuselage of the airplane. This means the death toll as a result of this plane crash now stands at 75. Another survivor died on the way to the hospital. The plane was transporting the Chapecoense football club to Medellin, Colombia, where the Brazilian team would have played a match against the local team, Atlético Nacional, as part of the finals of the South American Cup. CNN has learned that at least 2 football players and 1 crew member survived. One of the players is Alan Luciano Ruschel. His wife, Alison Ruschel, wrote in an Instagram post after the crash, "God bless and give all family members strength." As for the cause of